Welcome back to Techno YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to measure volume using the linear function in PlanSwift. To do this accurately, we need to create a custom template. So let's get started. First, open PlanSwift and create a new project. For that one, click on New, and here you can give a job number. Then description I will give as a Techno Hustling. Here you can select metric as a measurement type. Click on Next. Select your drawing file locations. Then click on Next. Select true color as a format, then click on next, finish. Alright, now you have set up the your PlanSwift file. Now you have to create a template. For create the template, you have to click on this templates tab, then click on new tab and give name for this tab, Techno Hustling as a name, then click on OK. Right, now we have to create a template. For that one, today we are going to create template by using linear tool. So that one, click on new linear. In here you can select this, click on this advanced icon. Right, in here, actually, since measuring volume requires three dimensions: length, width and height, the linear tool alone captures only the length, so we need to add properties for width and height. First of all, we have to add that properties. I will click on add property, then give width 1, and here you can keep it as default, it's a number. Then in here I will select estimating for group, then click on OK. Again I will add one more property. It's I will name as a height 1, number, and group I will keep as a estimating. Click on OK. Now we have these two, and also we have to select unit as a meter. Right, height also I will select as a meter. Then you have to tick these two checkbox and go to form. Here you can see width, height, but it's still they are not appearing that units. So and we have to edit something in this uh, layout. So click on advanced, go to form layout. Right, this is your layout. This one, okay, then I will tick this to show units. Now you can see your unit is in here visible, here also visible, and also I want to get this two as a same row. So yeah, right, okay, now here width meter, height meter. All right, okay, I will untick this one. Okay, this is your template, then click on OK. But now we have to create a formula to calculate volume. To this one, click on here. It's next of the quantity tab cell in here, and insert multiplication symbol. Right. Then click and drag this width. Okay. Again, input multiplication symbol. Then net drag and drop height. Right. And change this unit as a cubic meter. Yeah, cubic meter. Now it's all. Now then you can go to form layout, and this is your final layout. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Right. Go to home step. Right. This is our drawing, and in here you can see your right hand side. Click by clicking this arrow, you can see your new tab which is created in previously. That name is Techno Hustling. and click on here. You can click this green color symbol. Oh, sorry. First of all, we have to scale that drawing. Right. We will check that drawing. All right. Scale is a 1 is to 100. Go to here, select scale, click on agree. Right. Now your drawing is scaled. Okay. Then click on this green color icon. I will put as a beam concrete volume, and color is I will select pink. Width I will give as a 0.35 meters. 0.35 meters. Height also I will give as a point 0.5 meters. Uh, then click on OK. Right. Let me do show. I will measure from here to here. Right. You can see that that one is mentioning zero point 0.6 cubic meters, right? And also you can show legend, this your legend. I will put this one in here, adjust the size. Right, this is the volume of this beam. If you want to again do that one for another beam, as yeah, okay, I will measure, click on this, will give you beam b1 concrete. These are just only example. You can give width as a 0.30 meters, then height also 0.70 meters. Then click on OK. You can click here to here. See, that one also mentioned as a cubic meters. And that's it. You have successfully created a custom template to measure volume using the linear function in PlanSwift. Now you can easily calculate volume by simply entering length, width and height. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.